From a hospital bed for years, to deputy head boy at Calabar High School, to a Bachelor of Laws at the University of the West Indies, in the Court of Health, Anthony Parker was summoned to a scary fate. But with perseverance on the docket, success was the verdict.
My biggest source would be my faith, and that faith in God, and that He would have brought me through the lowest point in my life. And I use that challenge, I use that journey as an inspiration to achieve anything that I put my mind to.
At 15, he battled acute lymphatic leukemia, a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow. If not treated, it can be fatal within a few months. His treatment lasted 4 years. This became his new home.
And they mentioned how badly the situation was, and that I was the sickest one on the ward, and a couple days after, a patient 2 beds beside me died. I can vividly recollect every week, even going to the doctor 3 to 5 times a week, getting treatment, lumbar puncture every Tuesday, and the painful procedure that was, it was very, very painful.
He says he missed almost a year of high school, skipping the last 2 terms of grade 9 and the first term of grade 10. CXC hopes dwindled. His hair thinned and faded. His weight fell to worrying levels. His mother feared that he would have died. He didn't.
There was never a moment that I doubted God, or there was never a moment in which I felt that this battle or this big adversity that I was going through, I would have succumbed to it.
And his days were fueled by school outside of school, books on a hospital bed, SBA's in-between injections. At 17, he sat his CSEC exams while undergoing treatment. 9 subjects later, CXC was the one that came out bleeding.
It served as a distraction to what I was really going through and the depression around me in the hospital. So I would have to, continue the work, continue the drive. So when I am able now to get out of the situation, I can continue.
An experience that made tackling law an easy goal.
I was able to, stay focused on my career path, pursue the studies, ace my exams, and now being, the holder of a LLB. So it is really, I credit that aspect of my life and the lessons I've learned.
Now the journey to the bar has begun, and make no mistake, he's not chasing liquor, just the road.
Being an attorney at law, that is my long life dream, and I'm 2 years away from that, so that is the next step. I also see myself as a budding politician, and also, going to the highest level of the law in even securing a doctorate.
And to youngsters facing difficulty,
what really sets you apart or sets anybody apart from another is their determination and drive to overcome challenges. So no matter what you're going through, no matter the obstacles, the challenges, you can come out on the better side. I'm a testament of that. So just, hold fast, steadfast in your faith.
with your ray of